Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Justin TK. So today we're going to discuss about how to connect a TT600 to X1 or X2 trigger. Without wasting your time, let's jump into the video. So I have this battery called Tiger Head. Then I also have this battery called Energizer. This type of battery called Energizer, which is a rechargeable battery. Among these batteries, I would recommend Energizer is the rechargeable one is okay. But if you don't have this one, I would recommend you go for Tiger Head. Then you can go on Energizer, this one. So at this point, I've now started to enter into how to connect the trigger. So the first thing is I'm going to click the mode button. I will press for 2 seconds. When I see a Wi-Fi here, if you're able to see Wi-Fi, then I'll scroll the wheel until I have to put it in S mode. Then I'll click the zoom button. I'll see channels. So if I want to put in channel 10, it's showing there channel 10. So I'll press the button. Okay, I'm about to change the channels. If I'm able to say channel 15, so if I say channel 12, so here is channel 12. And if you're able to see here, I'm in channel 12. And then if I want group A, I'll press the button, they say group A. Then if you're seeing group D, group E, so this is the button for group. If I want to change the zoom, here is 24. Then I'll press the zoom button. Then I have to put it to 200 because the lighting is always good at 200. So it's always in S mode. If you're able to see, here is the S mode. Okay, so here I'm okay. I'll come to my trigger. So my trigger, if I want to change the channel, the CH, this is X1, so I'll press the CH for a long time. I'll press the CH for 2 seconds, 1, 2. And the channel was I'm able to change the channel to 12. I don't know if you're able to see. Can you try to focus? Okay, here in the corner I'm sure you're able to see channel 12. So once I'm done with channel 12, I'm okay. Then I'll choose a group. So it's group A. So I'll go on group A. So this mode is high speed sync. So this is group A. I'll scroll this button. Group A. So maybe if I want to put it on maybe 125, then I'll try. It's connected. But let me show you the X2. Okay. So this is the X2 trigger. So for this one, it's easy to use because it has buttons here. This is group A, group B, C, D, E, and it's easy to control. So this is the menu. If I want to change the channel, I'll scroll down. I'll scroll down. So you find where it's written channel. So this is channel. Then I'll go on set. Once I go on set, so this is channel 12. So I'll say channel 12. I'm now in channel 12. I'll say set. This is channel 12 and this is channel 12. So if you check, this is channel 12 and here is channel 12. So let me try. So I'll put in C. So I'll pick C. So I'll put the distance. When it's too close, sometimes it doesn't work because this one, unless I have to change the settings if I want to shoot nearby. But for this setup, I'll try to check. There it's working. So if I want to change the settings, I'll go in menu, talk about distance. So on distance, we'll choose set. So if I want to shoot, maybe the subject is near, I'll change to 0 to 30 meters. Meaning, even here, I can shoot the pictures. If I don't want to shoot, if I have a subject not near me, I will put 1 to 100 meters. So meaning I need to start the trigger and the flashlight. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you like the content.